We could see your great motivation, extra motivation. It was the key maybe for your success today, or what do you think?
Yeah, probably I enjoy every moment on court during the match, so yeah, probably it was the key for the match to win.
After your great ride in Australia, after your big matches, big wins, did you feel today maybe a little different, more confident?
Yeah, a little bit confident more because I play a lot of matches in Australia, but a little bit tired also because it was a long trip and yeah, I feel it good, so I'm happy now.
What does it mean for you to play at home in Czechia?
It means a lot for me because I love Czech, to be Czech, so yeah, I love to play here and we will see how I will be in the next round. Yeah.
Good luck in upcoming games. Once again, congratulations, Niky.
No tak Nikola mluvila o tom samozřejmě, že po tom, co získala ty cenné skalpy na Australian Open,